So, hello everyone. This is Woman Tripathi, and I have built HydraBench. So, the situation where we have to write the test cases for the every functionality we make, and on the top of it, we miss something and the server crashes. So, where comes in the picture? We came in the picture. So, it's like you can consider meet us, the HydraBench, a smart local first testing laboratory designed to find those hidden bugs before your users do. So instead of making you write endless test script, HydraBench reads your raw code, figure out how your application work, and build an isolated digital playground that is a Docker safely and test it absolute limit. And it acts like a friendly automated red team partner. Those aggressively pushes you software to see where it breaks and tells you exactly why it fails, and even it will suggest you what to fix it. So let's go. I will take you to the demo that it's Hydra Bench. The first thing we have to keep in mind, you have to zip down your code and you have to submit here. Once you'll submit, you have to tick there so that we'll get to know you are authorized to test this repository. So once you did, just click on the upload and map the things. It will create, it will figure out all the API routes that your repository is having, and on that basis, it will list down everything along with the functionality and the things it returns and it accepts. After that, you can click it from here or from there also. It need authorization because it's going to initialize some Docker container where it will run the test cases that is generated by agent. So when we will run full agent plus Docker, it actually gives agent the power, like it will give the context of all the code bases, and your agent will read out everything, and on that basis it will create a bombarded literally bunch of test cases, and on that it will test everything. Once the test case will be created, the a Docker container will be triggered, and from Docker container it will run test cases, and it will give you at the end whatever the result will be. So it's like once you will run this, it will be a flow. What you can track down what at what stage your or build is going on. So you can track it down from here, and even you can see all the test cases that has been written for which function, for whatever API changes that we have made. So everything it will you can get it from here. It will show you the API, it will show you the description what is testing, and it will give you the expected and the function it is testing. So apart from that, you can see the executed test cases. It will show you every information it is passed or not. Once it done, if you need to track down what the agent is doing, so you can go to the agent output, you can check all the logs of agent. Even in the same way, you can check everything for the Docker that thinks it is going on. Apart from that, if there is some test case failure or some incident occur, you will have a redemption proposal. It will show you what the things you can change, and even if there is some issue or some test cases have failed, you will get some thing like this where it's like it will show you why it is failed and the reason, along with the what the things we can do to make it a kind of a git diff it will show. So this is the complete picture. It will give you the power to remove the testing, writing the test cases and everything, and it will be like you will be always ready to get into the production. Thank you.